morning, everyone. It's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. And today, I got Happy Mail. Yay! Happy Mail, Happy Mail, Happy Mail. I'm so excited. I did open it. So let's see. This is going to be, I think, Charm Chatter number 340 something. And today is Monday, and I'm getting ready for work. So I want to get this video done before I have to leave and get it uploaded for you. But my sister Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming sent me a package, and I did open it with her on Zoom, because when people send me a package, Zoom people send me a package, I like to open it with them. So I like to do it on Zoom with them. And so we did do that. So I do know what's in here, and it's so exciting. So let me show you what she sent. First, I knew she was sending me this. She asked me if, when she was making it, I said, oh, I want that. I want that. I was doing a blanket beggar from my egg beggar sister. Can you see it? I can't tell. Yeah, you can see. Isn't it gorgeous? But we discussed this because, you know, I'm making teddy bear clothes for my granddaughter Avery. And I love this, and I would, if I had wall space in my yarn room, I would definitely hang this. But I don't have wall space because it's all covered with yarn. So, but it's the perfect size for a blanket for Terry Bear. Another blanket for Terry Bear. Terry Bear is going to have several blankets. But I think my granddaughter is going to love this blanket, and I'm going to give it to her with, oh, good. I thought I just got lipstick on it. I did not, thank goodness. And Laura sent me, along with that, she sent these scraps of purple magic light, magic whatever this is, the magic yarn in purple from Ice. And I'm going to try to make an outfit, maybe jammies, because remember there's those jammies in there. Make jammies for Terry Bear to go purple with her purple blankie. That'll be a really nice gift from Auntie Lala. So that's going to be a Terry Bear project. Then she sent me, you guys, oh my goodness, I can't believe she actually sent these to me. I can't get them out of the box. Look, 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 look. They have the center poles. These are from Hobie. These are from Hobie in her mystery boxes that she bought. And she got the purple ones. Ooh, I love these. I have been coveting these, honestly. And Lala sent them to me. I think they were white on the outside, but they're not. They're lavender all the way through. It's purple. No white at all. I totally love them. Don't know what I'm going to make, but I know it's going to be gorgeous because look at the yarn. How could it not be? I'm so excited to have these. Excuse me. I really and truly did covet those. I was so jealous when she got them. I got a mystery box and I did not get any beautiful purple. And then the piece de resistance. She sent me an elephant to make. So we went through it. It's got two different color yarns in here, a light and a dark gray. So the elephant is made out of the darker gray, and then the lighter gray is his, you know, ears and feet, or hers, I don't know. And it comes with the stuffing and a plastic yarn needle and a plastic hook. It is a 3.75 millimeter hook. This is the light gray. I do have a 3.75. It comes with its plastic safety eyes. But I do have a 3.75 clover. So here's the dark gray. And I think it's a 4-weight worsted. So my 3.75 clover will be used instead of the plastic hook that this came with. But I'm very excited to start this. I don't know, honestly, Laura, I don't know when I'm going to start it. it might not be till after the first of the year because I have blankets to make for Boggy Creek. Boggy Creek. Boggy. I think it's Boggy. So that's hashtag camp Boggy Creek Boggy Camp 2022. If you want to make blankets for that. But I do have to make those first, and I have to make jammies or an outfit. So now I have 2 outfits to make for Terry Bear, because I'm making. We just discussed it in a video yesterday. I pulled out the blue yarn. Yeah, to do an outfit, the sailor outfit for Terry Bear. So I got to get on that. But those are fun projects to make because they're for my grandkid. So anyway, la 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 la. Couldn't be better. Yarns and elephants and purples and a blankie from Auntie Lala. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Yep, got it all, right? Blankie, bears, elephants. Or not bears. Blankies, purples, elephants. Yay! Thank you so much, Lala. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for liking, subscribing, doing all those things. If you're new to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you'd come back and see what other shenanigans we can get involved in. My Laura says she wants to see downtown Cleveland, so I think that we're going to do that maybe one day this week because that's where I work, so I'm there. I just have to get there in time to do stuff about it because I get out at 6 and it starts to get dark. It's hard to take pictures then. It's already starting to get dark around that time. Or at least dusk. Okay, listen, I got to go because I got to go to work. I'll see you later. Bye.